Hello, ma'am. I am Ivy Miasal and I am discuss about the service quality influence of customers' satisfaction in a courier services. So outlines of the presentation, briefly background of the researcher, introduction, conceptual framework, hypothesis, significance of the study, scope and limitation of the study, and the definition. So introduction, according to Poton AL 2018, service quality influence customer satisfaction is a very significant issue to company products which measures the level of expectations between company's product and customers' expectation. The customer satisfaction survey is one way of the Northern Bukidnon State College students, and this can help to understand and improve the product quality and services. While the service feedback survey, customer is understand and improve the product quality and services. So, theoretical framework. This study will help the courier services to provide the better understand the key importance of the customer's decision on choosing a services to improve and develop their services and the capabilities in the right place. So theoretical framework has independent variables and dependent variables, whereas the service quality is the independent variables and the customer satisfaction is the dependent variable. So the statement of the problem is this study is to examine the 5 in service would influence on customer satisfaction and compare the service of LBC and JNT in Manolo Fortich Bukidnon in terms of level of customer satisfaction among the students of the Northern Bukidnon College, especially to answer the following questions. So, hypothesis is the null hypothesis wherein it is formulated for the testing the level of the significance. Significance of the study. This study will provide the information to the following: business marketing students, as in participants of the study, in additional knowledge about the 5 quality dimension in service quality influence on customer satisfaction in a courier services. So the scope and limitation of the study is represent the study concentrate on the customer's perception of the quality of the following service quality dimension. So definition of terms is for better understanding and interpretation of the study. Some of the operational is defined this study. The service quality refers to a measure of how the organization delivers its services, and Northern Bukidnon State College as area target of proposing a survey questionnaires of the service quality to influence the customer satisfactions in the courier services of LBC and JNT Express. So review of related literature, or the RRL, is the relevant literature and the researchers consider the importance of present study. So service quality influence customer satisfaction according to Grunrus in 1993 has developed a service quality model that uses the traditional concepts of the customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction in interpreting perceived and expected the quality. So research methodology is this study is the methods of determining whether or this is the significant relation that exists between the 2 variables, which is the dependent and dependent variables. that the researcher also used the survey questionnaire methods that gives more information on the research work and made realistic because it is an actual interaction. So research instrument is it is the method used in the survey questionnaire, and it is adapt the ServQual or the survey questionnaire from the thesis of Ma'am Ninian Grace Elabita entitled Quality Service and Customer Satisfaction on Non-Academic Services of the University, and it contains a check boxes of choices. The type questionnaire under the different categories, namely the product, services, meals, parcels, and the packages. And that would end my video. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Balaba Annalyn. This chapter I will discuss start from data analysis, results and discussion from its table, hypothesis testing, summary findings, and conclusion. Data analysis is method used person, products, moments correlation analysis to calculate the coefficient that shows the degree of proximity between variable service quality, independent and dependent variables customer satisfaction. Data analysis was carried out using the instrument multilinear regression. Result and discussion. Statement of the problem to determine demographic profile of the respondent. Table number 1, age of the respondent. The table is show the range respondent age group is the majority is the age of 25 to 30 because it is the ranking respondent of Northern Bukidnon State College among the third-year student financial management. Table number 2, gender of respondent. Mostly, this table of female respondent is a higher average of 72 respondent equivalent of 86.7 because female gender respondent sila ang mahilig mo courier delivery sa products between two companies, GNT and LBC. Table number 3, civil status respondent. This table shows the civil status respondent of service, quality of influence, customer satisfaction is single, the percentage of 78.3%. Total number of 65 respondents because are almost student of Northern Bukidnon State College among third-year student of financial management. Statement of number 2. To determine how the measurement 5 dimension of service quality varies among respondents. Table number 4. Reliability. The mean result of first statement of this table is 3.7 and the standard deviation is 3.31. It means the employees should censor it is because gitarong nila ang ilang service sa customer, meaning the respondent are agree that services they offered and always right at first place. Table number 5, responsiveness. This table expressed the mean result statement of 3.9 and the standard deviation is 3.4 because the responsiveness of employees are happy and willing to serve customer. That's why the respondents are almost agree of courier services. Table number 6, tangibility. This table shows the statement mean result is 3.8 and the standard deviation is 3.4. Almost the customer feedback is agree because the employees are well dressed or neat appearance when the time to deliver on the product. Table number 7, assurance. This table show the mean result is 3.8. Also the standard deviation is 3.4 because the service of employees of courier services is make customers happy and feel safe to our product when the time to deliver service. That's why interpretations is almost agree. Table number 8, the last table is empathy. The significant mean result is 3.8 and the standard deviation is 3.4. On what company rules and regulation which employees are committed to follow and promote the ethical behavioral values policy in the workplace. That's why respondents are almost agree regarding to courier services. Hypothesis testing. The result of p-value is greater than alpha value. That's why the researcher cannot reject the null hypothesis. And also, a non-significant result cannot prove that hypothesis is correct, only that the null assumption cannot be rejected. Summary of findings. Based on the result gathered, the following findings were presented. There was a total sample of 83 respondents from the College of Third-Year Students, from Business Administration and Major Financial Management. The marital status is gender is female. The overall interpretation of respondents are mostly agreed. Conclusion. Based on the finding, researcher can conclude that the majority of the respondents were female single, belong to the agri groups of 25 to 30 years old. The service quality dimension of respondents among business, tangibility, assurance, and empathy are almost agree about the terms of quality service, customer satisfaction in the courier services between LBC and GNT. That's all, ma'am, and thank you. God bless you.